Uruguay is in the south of South America, between parallels 30 and 35, in a privileged area for citrus production. It is a country with moderate climate, low hills, hundreds of kilometer-long beaches, and a waterway basin that is unique in the world. Caputto has been a synonym of quality oranges since 1945 in Uruguay. It is a family company that has grown a passion for citrus for over 70 years. Caputto Group is the largest citrus producer and exporter of Uruguay, offering quality products, fresh fruit, mass consumption juices, essential juices for industrial consumption, and essential oils. Continuous research and the introduction of new citrus strains are carried out in Caputto's facilities in Salto, constantly incorporating state-of-the-art technology applied to production, modern canning methods, and personnel training in all its production areas. Caputto Group chooses the best plantings to ensure producing the best fruit. It uses genetic materials from safe sources to make the right choices and improve genetics to introduce the best strains in its greenhouses. Then, the new plants are transported directly to the orchards, where each variety is planted and monitored during the whole productive cycle. A large number of plants are pruned every year to obtain the right size of foliage and a balance between light and air. Another vital task is returning the nutrients back to the soil to ensure quality production and a sustainable volume along the time. Different varieties of oranges, mandarins, lemons, and grapefruits are harvested from February to November. Some 100,000 tons of fruit are harvested during this period, 80% of which come from Caputto's own production. All processes are carried out following the rules, standards, and guidelines according to Good Agricultural Practices, Global GAP. This means working in a responsible and vital manner to improve and sustain long-term agricultural production, both for the environment and for the personnel involved in this work. Quality controls during harvest time require using special scissors with extreme care to avoid damaging the fruit or the tree. Once the fruit is placed in the bins, its size and color is measured. The traceability process to ensure the export quality of each fruit starts when each box is labeled. The fresh fruit enters the packing plant where it is selected and packed, following strict control measures complying with BRC, British Retail Consortium, quality standards. This involves using a management system to apply good manufacturing practices and HACCP in food safety to make preventative analysis and to control physical, chemical, and microbiological risks. Every single action in the production, sorting, storage, chambers, and logistics areas is carried out using state-of-the-art technology equipment and skilled personnel. Fungicide applications and disinfection is sprayed on the fruit. Electronic calibrators and pre-calibrators classify the fruit according to its color, size, and weight, under the supervision of skilled personnel. Machine vision cameras directly select the fruits, fed through a conveyor belt system. Complementary, diverse manual packing lines operate to guaranteed added value to each finished fruit box. Bulk box fillers and packaging machines work automatically, commanded by operators through control panels for each particular requirement. Cold storage chambers keep the high quality and characteristics of fresh fruit. Citrus is degreened before going into the containers for export. Caputto Group has renewed its industrial division by building a new juice processing plant with state-of-the-art equipment and a consolidated technical team. Juice for mass consumption, essential juices and essential oils are produced in the new plant using the fresh fruit harvested in the orchards. The mass consumption line introduced innovative flavors in the market using natural citrus essentials. PET and Tetra Pak packing is used for home consumption. Essential juices are used by the main soft drink and juice brands in the world as raw materials to prepare their products. The production of orange, mandarin, grapefruit, and lemon essentials is supplemented with refined oil essentials used in beverages and perfumes in the most demanding markets. To ensure an excellent quality, the juice plant follows strict protocols of quality standards and certifications, such as ISO 9000-2008, Food Safety Certification, HACCP, and SGF international audits supporting the authenticity of all its products. Caputto Group is recognized in Uruguay for its good labor practices. It has consolidated an important team leading the productive, technical, and commercial development of this business at local and regional levels. Skilled personnel follow strict quality standards in all areas: production, packing, services, industrial services, and administration. The group forms part of SEDEX in the United Kingdom in order to provide EU customers with the maximum guarantees in terms of ethical, fair, and responsible relations with its workers. The group is also one of the founding members of DERIS, the main entity for the promotion of corporate social responsibility in Uruguay. It carries out many social programs, such as the Basketball Academy, where thousands of children are also taught values such as commitment, respect, and solidarity at state schools in Salto every year. A rigorous traceability program is in place before exporting fresh fruit and industrial products from Caputto Group. The group's exports logistics is second to none. Over 80% of the orchards are located within 80 kilometers from the packing plant and close to the ports where cold storage cargo can be shipped within 12 hours. Apart from being the largest citrus producer in Uruguay, Caputto Group is also the largest exporter, with 40% of the market share. It exports to the European Union, Eastern Europe, North and South America, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia. It has offices in Spain to provide an even more personalized service in the region. Caputto Group exports quality to the main chains in the world: Albert Heijn, Aldi, Angeloni, Asada, Bompreco, Carrefour, El Corte Inglés, Eroski, Loblaws, Mark & Spencer, Mercadona, Morrison's, Sainsbury, Sobeys, Tesco, and Walmart. The ongoing renewal, personalized business service, adapting to the customer's needs, applying state-of-the-art technology, working with skilled personnel, applying rigorous quality standards and certifications, and using fresh products are the visible face of a passion that has been moving the company every day since 1945. High-quality fresh fruit in Uruguay and in the world is a synonym of Caputto Group. Caputto, a synonym of citrus since 1945.